Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Transit. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can enable lane keeping assist system, cruise control, speed limiter. Next we can change volume of the radio and we can activate voice assistant. On the right side we've got the panel, thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster display, we can answer end calls and change radio station. Of course, if you press right here, we will use horn. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.